One of the biggest mistakes we make in life is comparing ourselves to others. We often overlook our own potential and measure success by someone else's pace, forgetting that everyone runs their own unique path and has their own timing and story. Imagine a race with two runners. One, an experienced and fast athlete who has trained for years, and the other, a young runner just recovering from an injury, not yet back to full strength. As the race begins, the veteran surges ahead with confidence while the young runner keeps glancing sideways, asking himself, "Am I behind? Is he faster than me?" His focus wavers, his steps falter, and eventually he can't even finish the race. Afterward, his coach tells him, "Your only competitor is your own potential. If you keep looking at others, you'll lose your path. But if you focus on your own journey, every step will make you stronger." Life isn't a race against others. It's about running your own course, improving yourself each day, and measuring success not by how fast others go, but by how much better you are than you were yesterday.